To send crypto from Maya, start by opening the Maya application on your device and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your available balance and transaction history. Next, click on the Send button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new window where you can enter the recipient's address and the amount of crypto you want to send. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address, as sending crypto to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. You can also choose to scan a QR code if the recipient has one, which can make the process faster and more accurate. After entering the recipient's address and the amount, review the transaction details, including the fees and the total amount to be sent. Fees are usually a small percentage of the transaction amount and are used to validate the transaction on the blockchain. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, confirm the transaction by clicking on the Send button. You will then be prompted to enter your password or complete a two-factor authentication to authorize the transaction. After the transaction is confirmed, it will be broadcast to the blockchain and verified by the network. This can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion and the fees paid. To ensure the security of your transaction, always use a strong and unique password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your device and Maya application up to date. It is also important to only send crypto to trusted recipients and to never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and easily send crypto from Maya. Remember to always be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions and to never send more than you can afford to lose.